Have you ever wondered why the US uses a different measuring system than most of the world? The answer lies in history. The US system gets its roots from the old British system of measurement, a practice from the colonial period. The US system, therefore, has its roots in the British system, a remnant of the colonial period. The British system was not adopted without modifications, however. When the United States chose to adopt the British system of weights and measures, they did not simply copy and paste. Instead, they made some thoughtful alterations to better suit their needs. For instance, they decided to drop the stone as a unit of weight, a decision that was distinctly American. Thus, while the US system has its roots in the British system, it is not an exact replica. Interestingly, the US has not completely shunned the metric system. In fact, it's quite prevalent in certain domains. Science, medicine, and the military, for instance, rely heavily on the metric system for its precision and universal acceptance. But why hasn't it been adopted for everyday use? Well, it boils down to a mix of tradition, cost of conversion, and public resistance to change. So, while the metric system is used in certain spheres in the US, it is not used for everyday measurements due to various reasons. What does the future hold for the US standard measuring system? Well, there's a growing chorus advocating for a shift towards the metric system. However, this suggestion is met with considerable resistance. Whether the US will adopt the metric system in the future remains to be seen. So to summarize, the US standard measuring system has its roots in the British system, grappled with the metric system, and now faces an uncertain future. The US standard measuring system, therefore, has a long and interesting history, one that is deeply intertwined with the country's past and potentially its future.